You search for how to buy shares of AQ Group AB. The company is a Swedish industrial and electronics manufacturer listed on CBOE under the ticker AQ.ST. This video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. To buy AQ.ST, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AQ.ST to locate the listing. Choose the result that shows AQ Group AB to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the company name and the AQ.ST ticker to make sure it is the correct listing. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, carefully review the order details, and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. See the link in the description for the example platform if you want to open an account for practice or testing.